In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a gradient background here in Canva. Now, this is actually really simple. What we want to do is find the background of our canvas. Then if we click on there, we want to come up to the little color icon just here where it says background color. Now, if we click on that, we want to come over to the left-hand side, scroll all the way down, and we can see these default gradient colors. Now, if we click on there, there's actually quite a lot to choose from. But we don't have to use these. We can also choose our own colours, which I'll show you in a second. But let's go ahead and choose one of these. Let's go with this one just here, or in fact, this one as well. So as soon as we click on there, we now have our gradient background. But let's say we wanted to create our own. Now, if we go back one, come to the little plus icon and click on there, it's going to show the gradient tab. Now, if your background is just solid, like this, it's going to come onto the solid tab. We want the gradient, and then all we have to do is click on the plus icon, then we can add our own hex code color just here, or choose from this color palette, just like that. Now, there is also a few different styles that we can use, and if we click on these down below, it will then change the style of that gradient just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to make a gradient background here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel, and if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.